Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your domain to Cloudflare, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your domain to Cloudflare, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the Dashboards tab. Click on the Add a Site button to begin the domain transfer process. Enter your domain name and click on Add Site. Select a plan that suits your needs and continue. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Review the scanned DNS records to ensure they match your current settings. Click Continue after verifying your DNS records. Next, you will be prompted to update your name servers. Log in to your current domain registrar's account. Locate the domain you want to transfer and find the option to update name servers. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. After updating, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the Check Name Servers option. Wait for Cloudflare to verify that your name servers have been updated successfully. This may take some time, depending on your previous registrar's propagation time. Once your name servers are verified, Cloudflare will initiate the domain transfer. You will receive an email from your current registrar asking you to approve the transfer. Open that email and follow the instructions to confirm the transfer. Once approved, your domain transfer will proceed. It may take several days for the transfer to finalize. During this time, monitor your Cloudflare account for any updates or actions required. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation from Cloudflare. Your domain is now successfully transferred to Cloudflare. You can begin utilizing Cloudflare's features immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.